And now for something completely different.
And again, the internet is not something that you just dump something on. It's not a big truck. It's a series of tubes.
I don't know what we're yelling about! Breaking the law! Step into my office. Why? Because you're fired.
Whoa, this is what crack must feel like.
Impression of me on coffee. I've had some coffee.
I think I'm entitled. You want answers. I want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
What the f*** is that?
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.